Right, Mama Kwaba, that's a year pass our coming home and now pay. You may depending where you are watching live from NBTV trending stories on our social media platform. But more this over follow and what turning on notification bell. Trending stories be a echo locally and internationally. Getting in a to her at the quick one. Ghanaian legend Nana a champion, yes. Ohene a champion, one of the music legends in Ghana. Whatever be to just it is time. To say, I was Ghana music industry, and now say a binding a bow and a basso. Na nimu woman with a street, or patches, and yes, on the plug and quan ebesha woman some, and quan airbass body here, fatas or more rewarded woman. Name woman says statue, and a woman to me in see and more. A bed drew, say quantum point and namsono, womudi dino, a better to woman so. Ghanaian music legend, Nana one in a champion. And a casa same way.
She said, me try, say, me throw book. I bet you them baby as in bay. Now, me cobo programs to be or baby, and Profonenia Brandis Anana. I will say a day, circle be run about to be a 2D. You hope say, and penny for motete body, see, or more play. Ghana music akotene kese pa omon kai se enkura na omaba no empanyimfo bi bai ansa na enkura na ba to omo jeje enkura no so mo free omo free empanyimfo no na
and watching so no in other news about betudwa say Deborah Vanessa one fella makafu hu sense me trend our social media no so over the weekend and Ghanaian music star Medica Ekobo show London Miche O2 Arena Honoma Emajumidi na successful. Na you say Medica performing with an ex Deborah Vanessa stage. And no some microphone Deborah Edin Komo obi anka woni na idea then anka you so woni ni platform so ni na etunyu back. Deborah Vanessa dia to just Medica ne friend / sweet ex.
Oh, it wasn't to cause anything. So it was basically to support my friend.
Your friend.
/ my sweet ex.
Your friend / your what? Your
sweet ex.
Oh, okay. So you came here purposely for that?
Yeah. I wanted to come and support. He also wanted me on the show. So he invited me and I didn't have any problem with that.
Okay.
Because we have music together and he's my friend.
Okay.
Yes.
And so your trending stories are trending our social media and also our NBTV as well. In other news, another Ghanaian legend, TikTok, at the Agradaa, say men worry so no ban 7 years here. Don't marry your partner if you have not dated her for more than 7 years. Ghana nyum to niya watu nyumache TikTok. And I didn't somewhere to judge says so no ban 7 years here. Memo home modern 14 chances so kwa as our ready. Ne kwan wa ye papa. Now we're asking a very simple question here on our brain box here. We need your comment under the comment section. A man borrows 2,500 from his wife and promised to pay back. He gave her 10,000 Ghana cedis, which is 10k as a pocket money the next day. Now we're asking, does he still own his wife or better free? Bema Bobosia 2,500. Edi free ni ho a washa na boss will be tia. Ade chenye woman pocket money of 10,000 Ghana cedis. It was say order in the car and I say case closed. Let's see your comment under the comment section in our next episode. See you.